First one, we have to understand RMDIR. Just like MKDIR, we have a RMDIR and enter. Now you can see what this will do. Remove the empty directories. So what is the use case of it? It will use to clean up the empty directories from your project or any given path. So in that case, it will be help you. So it will only delete that is the empty directory, and it will not delete the file. So here you can see -p if you want to use the parents as well. So it will, you can be use that parent as well. And here it is giving the syntax as well. That will very helpful here. And we, that was for printing the that information. So syntax rm dir option then directory. Let's try to understand this rm dir, and inside we first let me show you the directory ls, and inside ls we have a secure directory. Ls secure directory, there is nothing there. This one is a empty directory. Rm dir, and options means optional. I don't want to use that one, and I will pass the directory which I want to be deleted. Secure directory I just want to be deleted. Now enter. So that was has been deleted, but it is not giving anything what happened, right? So output you want to be displayed, so you can be do that one. First I will create secure dir again, okay, and this one also not generating for rm dir hyphen v secure, and now this time it is showing the output. And now let me tell you one more thing. We have another command, copy project and projects as well. If I try to delete this one, what happened? Rmdir project enter. Now this has been failed because this is not empty directory. Inside having a subfolder, some directory as well and file as well. Therefore it is not happening. For example, if I create mkdir and dir1, dir2 and dir4, 3, enter, ls. Now you can see we have this one. I just want to delete all the directory, but I don't know which one is a empty for that, right? So what I have to do, I have to use here rmdir dir hyphen v to see the output which one is deleting, and current directory. This is the directory is available. I just want to delete rmdir hyphen v prod. So inside that I just want to delete all. Now you can see this one has been deleted, but this one has failed because directory does not empty, and these are the deleted, and this one has failed because this was not empty. Like this way you can be ls hyphen prod. Now you can see there is only two directories available. So like that you can be deleted. You can be use -p for parenting. If any parent is empty, so you can be use that one as well. New command, that is a different command, man -rm. Now you can see what this will do. This command having an additional feature instead of that rmdir, that will only delete empty directory, right? But here rm can delete empty directory as well file as well. Directory which have a empty or not, that we can delete that one. What is the syntax for rm option then file rm? So what this will do, it will be removed, right? And we have this option false. What this will ignore the existing file, non-existing file, never prompt that one. If you want to be prompt confirmation to this, we are going to be delete. So if user will provide a yes or no, then that will be. We have these options that we can be use -r, small r, capital R. That means recursively, because the directory that having a subdirectory and files, so you want to be recursively, mean that directory you want to be delete in depth. So therefore we will use that recursive. Recursive is just like an looping all the content. And dir, so that means if you are using a -d or a hyphen dir, so that means it will be remove the empty directory. And we for verbose, right? So let's try to understand all these things, so how we can be use it. So ls, that let me move to the prod directory. Inside we have this directory. Now what I will do here, we have a rm. If I try to delete here this one, what happened? This cannot be deleted. For that, because this is a directory and we have to use here -r, what this will happen, it will recursively delete, and I will use v for the see the output. Right now you can see which one has been deleted and in which order it is deleted. Same thing, you can be delete multiples as well. So let me delete mkdir. Let me create a mkdir and secure dir. We are able to create this ls. These are the directories that I want to be deleted using rm hyphen rv for recursively. If anyone having a data, so that data I want to be deleted, like that you can be deleted. Now I'm using more than one directory and enter. Now that has been deleted, right? So this way you can be delete rm. For example, mkdir secure, this one is my empty directory, right? I will delete using rm hyphen d and the secure. Right now enter, that has been deleted. Let's verify, there is no data, right? So this is about the action that is a delete.